How to enable Vanish Chat on Instagram 2026. Want your Instagram messages to disappear automatically? Here's how to enable Vanish Mode in 2026. First, open Instagram on your phone and tap the Messages icon at the bottom. Now, open the chat where you want to use Vanish Mode. To enable it, place your finger at the bottom of the chat screen and swipe up. Keep swiping until you see the screen change. Once Vanish Mode is on, the chat will turn dark and you'll see a message confirming that Vanish Mode is enabled. Any messages you send in this mode will disappear automatically after they're seen and the chat is closed. You can send text messages, images, GIFs, and even videos in Vanish Mode. If the other person takes a screenshot, Instagram will notify you. To turn Vanish Mode off, simply swipe up again from the bottom of the chat. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Vanish Chat on Instagram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.